I'm getting the feeling that this is going to be our last award function together. Because they'll ban us again. Because we're just going to get ruder and ruder and cheaper and worse. So what we've done in order to deal with that is institute our own awards next year. Okay, and actually starting from now, you're going to see us awards within awards if you want. You know, so if we are banned, agle saal hum apne awards host kar sakte hain. Something like my friend out here, who was when he was banned for actually attending cricket matches, apni khud ki team kharid li. Like that.
I mean, yeah. Let us warn you guys. You don't call us for functions, we'll buy it.
You don't call us for weddings, we'll marry your daughters.
Yeah, maybe. So be careful, okay? But आप लोग बुरा मत मानिएगा, मैं आपको से बताना चाहता हूँ कि we firmly believe कि इस दुनिया में दो ही सच हैं, एक रियल और एक ना रियल. और इसी बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए we have introduced the ना real awards. Can we have the Nariyal Awards, please?
Here it is. Here is the Nariyal Award. Yeah. It is shaped like a tender coconut, as you can see. The first ever Nariyal Awards. The Nariyal Awards are for disastrous work in Hindi cinema, from our point of view.
And you notice our humor is so cheap. Na real, not real, na real. बहुत हो गए अच्छे कामों के लिए अच्छे अवार्ड तो अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स और अच्छे प्रोड्यूसर्स यार. उन मेजॉरिटी का क्या जो गंदे काम करते हैं, हाँ, जो बुरी फिल्में बनाते हैं, बुरी एक्टिंग करते हैं. So for these unsung heroes and heroines, for their contribution to really crap cinema. Yes, Ritesh.
Hey. Kunal Kohli is running out of the building.
He understands.
Oh, please get back here.
Kunal
hey, listen, you know what? You know, this award actually reminds me of something. It reminds me of the Raspberry Awards in Hollywood.
Oh, shut up.
Of Hollywood. Oh.
I don't know what Raspberry Awards are.
We don't copy anything.
Nothing. We don't even know what Hollywood is. What is Hollywood?
Yeah, so it's so original.
So, मैं clear कर दूं, इस awards की jury भी हम हैं, voting भी हमने ही की है, और presenters भी हम हैं.
पर responsibility हमारी नहीं है.
Nah. So then, the first Nariyal Award is for the Wardrobe Malfunction of the Year. The nominees are
Vidya Balan in Hey Baby, Designer G, Quit Designing and Think of Resigning. Rani Mukherjee for Tara Rampam, इनके हैरत अंगेज हेयर स्टाइल्स को हैरत से देखकर सब हैरान हो गए.
Let me just make it very clear. This is not personal, so Rani should not take it personally or with you.
Oh,
There's a little dress here. There's a little,
Is that a dress?
Yeah, it's a kind of a small dress, yeah. So don't take it personally. We understand. It's not got to do with the actors and actresses. See what a serious face I'm making. We love you, Rani. I liked her hairstyle and I liked it.
I liked it. I married her.
Yeah, you married her. Yeah, okay. So,
the winner is Vidya Balan for Hey Why Baby Why.
No. It's Hey Baby, not Why Baby.
There's like 6 Y's in it.
But you want to say why, baby?
Why, baby?
Why did you dress up like that? Yeah. Where are you, Vidya? Please raise your hand.
Where is she?
Where are you, Vidya? We can't see you. Vidya,
where are you?
Don't hide from us.
Oh, there she is. There she is. The camera.
We just want to say, we love you, Vidya. This is not for you. As I said, this is for the guys who do the creative stuff in films, but because we can't call all the bad directors, bad producers, bad actors, we call it now.
It's an exclusive function.
It's very exclusive. Film Fair is very exclusive. So we'll just give it to you so you can pass it on to someone else. But honestly, between me and Saif, we love you with clothes
or without clothes.
Okay. I mean, there should be no hard feelings.
Only soft feelings.
Let's go down and show our love to Vidya. No, you have to take it, darling. I mean, this is, please. Yeah, thank you.
Ritesh, you mind if I sit in your lap for just a second?
Thank you. These are the Nariyal Awards. Vidya, please.
Please accept that gracefully.
Here you are, darling.
Gracefully.
Everybody, let's hear for Vidya for being so sporty. Yeah! Okay, she comes from the land of the Nariyal. That's why she's taking. Where is that, darling? We are uneducated, me and Saif.
Kerala.
Oh, yeah. Kerala has Nariyal. Okay. Tell us what happened, darling.
What is the story?
Why were the clothes like that? Yeah.
I was asked to trust Sajid and Manish.
Sajid Khan?
Sajid Khan.
Oh, that
and
explains
Manish
a lot of things.
Yeah, considering their sense of
his
dressing.
dress sense is quite
precisely.
Sajid?
So you know where this came from.
Okay, all the best, darling. And what do you think?
What do you think of my clothes?
How do we look tonight?
How do we look?
We really like you. I mean, you want your phone number, but we'll do that later, yeah.
It's not personal.
You know, I must admit, when I first saw you on stage
Oh,
tonight,
hit me, baby, yeah.
I said, wow, Yashraj has such cool waiters. Yeah, come back!
That was good.
Nice.
You still love me?
Deserve that.
We love you, darling. We love you.
We love you.
You want? You know, when.
Okay,
I'll be seeing you around.
Yeah.
before that, can I have a glass of water, please?
Ah, yeah. That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vidya. God bless you. So, guys, that's the kind of sportiness you have to show when we are doing these award functions tonight. Okay.
Hey, I got a joke.
You?
Yeah.
Again?
What if, like, Hey Baby didn't have Vidya in it and it just had the three guys?
Only three guys
Yeah.
and no Vidya?
Yeah.
Let me think. It's
Title
one of your...
of the
Yeah.
film.
I don't know what the title of the film would be if it had no Vidya and only three men in it.
Gay Baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to introduce someone very, very special now. I'm sure we haven't given it away because of a cap.
Excuse me. Pehle television producer.
उसके बाद पॉपुलर सिंगर और अब
A mind-blowing actor. Ladies and gentlemen, the man who dons many hats. Sorry, caps.
the one and only Himesh Reshammiya. Hey, Himesh bhai. Put your hands together for Himesh, ladies and gentlemen.